All right, go! Ooh, we almost got beat, Lane.
On these old football fields,
Get lower.
Rob Harrington is helping coach the Grain Valley Sports League.
We started this year. It's our first year doing this. It's been a roller coaster.
He and a few friends fronted the money to start the league.
A lot of people don't understand the cost of youth football.
And decided they would also front the money for kids who couldn't afford to play.
We want every kid to have the opportunity to play football.
Which means their young league is already in need of some cash. They've had a rib fundraiser, and now they're raffling off a Delton AR-15 rifle.
We just started this raffle for the rifle, and we've already surpassed what we sold in ribs already.
Okay, this is a AR-15 style rifle.
Over at Frontier Justice, experts tell us some people are afraid of these guns because of misconceptions.
They think AR stands for assault rifle. It actually stands for Armalite rifle. It was designed by the Armalite company.
And there aren't too many differences between an AR and a traditional hunting rifle.
It's a modern day sporting rifle. It's not an assault rifle.
Go!
Back in Grain Valley, Harrington understands this raffle isn't for everyone, but he does want to make sure that every kid gets a chance to play football.
You talk to some of these other kids that are having troubles, and you realize that this hour and a half, 2 hours right now on this football field, this is heaven to them.
The Grain Valley Youth Sports League is hoping to raise somewhere around $10,000 in the raffle. The winner will be chosen during halftime of the youth game on October 14th. Whoever wins, the gun must be legally able to own it, and they must pass a background check.